Eighth problem. Evaluate integral 0 to a root of a square minus x square dx. So, already in the seventh problem we have discussed the standard formula for integral of root of a square minus x square dx. So, let us recall that formula. X root of a square minus x square by 2 plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. That substitute and apply the limits, that is all, we get the answer. So, now let I is equal to integral 0 to a root of a square minus x square dx. Now, this formula we have to write. What is the formula? X root of a square minus x square by 2 plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a, and limits are to be applied. What are the limits? 0 to a. Am I correct? So, just put a value here. A square minus a square 0, this total becomes 0. If you put 0, 0 into something 0. So, we get 0 minus 0 plus a square by 2 into sin inverse a by a, sin inverse 1 minus sin inverse 0. So, this is 0 plus a square by 2 into pi by 2 minus 0. This will be pi a square by 4 or 1/4 of equation of the circle whose radius is a. So, now let us go to the ninth problem. What is the ninth problem? Evaluate integral 0 to 2 mod 1 minus x dx. Okay. This is very typical problem for us generally. Why? Because this is the modulus function. Modulus function means the piecewise integration we have to do it. Directly we cannot do it, because we know the definition of the modulus function. The mod x is equal to x when x greater than 0 or x equal to 0. Mod x is equal to minus x when x less than 0. Similarly, the definition of the mod of 1 minus x should be given. After that, we have to break the interval 0 to 2 in such a way that the function can be integrated, and so that we get the required definite integral value. So, now here first, before going to do problem, mod of 1 minus x is equal to 1 minus x if 1 minus x greater than or equal to 0. That implies x minus 1 less than or equal to 0. That means x less than or equal to 1. If x less than or equal to 1, this modulus of 1 minus x becomes 1 minus x. This equal to mod of 1 minus x equal to minus of 1 minus x, or we can say x minus 1, provided the 1 minus x is less than 0, x minus 1 is greater than 0, x greater than 1. So, these two conditions are very important. So, now we can break the interval. How we have to break? One is greater than 1, we have to break less than 1. In between 0 to 2, how can you break? If you take this is 0, this is 2, so less than 1. So, that means 1 interval here, this will be 1. This is one interval, this is other interval. We have to break the interval like this. So, now let us say I is equal to integral 0 to 2 mod of 1 minus x dx. So, this we can write integral 0 to 1 plus integral 1 to 2. Why? This is less than 1, this is greater than 2. So, this is mod of 1 minus x. The mod of 1 minus x becomes what? If x less than 1, that means 1 minus x dx, plus here we will write x minus 1 dx. Okay. This is x minus x square by 2 limits 0 to 1 minus this is x square by 2 minus x limits 1 to 2. Let us substitute. So, first one substitute. This will be 1 minus 1 by 2 and minus of 0 minus 0 and minus of 2 minus 2 and minus 1 by 2 and minus 1. Okay. This will be 1 by 2 minus 0, 0 you leave it. This is, so we have minus into minus, the minus of, here plus we have, here plus write down, here plus, here plus 0 and this will be minus of plus of. See, of plus of is 1. Therefore, I is equal to 1. That's an answer. Okay. Tenth problem. Evaluate integral 0 to 4 mod 2 minus x dx. Okay. So, this problem also we have to do in piecewise integration. We have to break the interval. So, that means mod of 2 minus x is equal to 2 minus x if 2 minus x greater than or equal to 0. Multiply minus on both sides. X minus 2 less than or equal to 0. X less than or equal to 2. Less than 2 we have to break one interval. The mod of 2 minus x becomes minus of 2 minus x, which equal to x minus 2, provided this 2 minus x is less than 0. That means x minus 2 greater than 0, x greater than 2. Now, 0 to 4 you take it, 0, 4. So, we have to break the interval like this, 0 to 2 and 2 to 4. Now, let I is equal to integral 0 to 4 mod of 2 minus x dx. This can be written integral 0 to 2 plus integral 2 to 4. Okay. Integral 0 to 2 less than 2, that will be 2 minus x. So, you write down 2 minus x dx. This will be x minus 2 dx. Okay. Let us write the integral here, 2x minus x square by 2. What are the limits? We have 0 to 2 plus, do not forget the symbol, x square by 2 minus 2x limits 0 to 4. Sorry, here not, yes, correct. This is 2 to 4, you have to write 2 to 4. 2 to 4. Now substituting 2 into 2 4 minus 4 by 2 2. Next limit is minus 0 minus 0 plus here 16 by 2 8 minus 8 and minus of 4 by 2 2 minus 4. This is 0, this is 0. This will be 2 and minus of minus 2 plus 2. The answer will be 4. Therefore, I is equal to 4. I hope you might have understood this problem. This problem is very, very important and also very, very difficult to solve this problem. So, carefully do similar type of problems from your test book also. So, these kind of problems are important for even competitive entrance examinations. Okay.